We're gonna show you how to make some barbecue ribs, Western style. Once again, we're going to open, rinse, and let it dry. Now, let's add some flavor. These are the main dry ingredients we will use: salt, pepper, brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, roasted pepper powder, paprika, and cayenne. To give it some aroma, add a bit of sesame oil. And then we will squeeze a bit of orange juice. We're going to place the ribs in foil and wrap it nice and tight. I think it's wet. This one's wet too. Why are all of these wet? Oh. Another one. Place the ribs on the grill. Make sure the meaty side is facing down. Check it from time to time while keeping the heat going. Barbecue sauce. Warning, warning, warning. This is my dad's famous barbecue recipe. It was once sold to a restaurant which we cannot name. Our contract has ended, and now we can share the sauce with you. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, brown sugar, paprika, cayenne, roasted pepper powder, honey, oyster sauce, mirin, soy sauce, water, orange juice, ketchup. Once everything is whisked together, adjust the seasoning if needed to. Remember that a sauce can get saltier the longer it stays. The sauce could last up to a month. Once the ribs are done, remove the ribs from the aluminum foil. Brush the barbecue sauce on and place it back on the grill with a higher heat. Or just lower your grill closer to the fire. Remove the ribs and brush more sauce if needed.